me again. We're watching tulips, and you know my video show, right? Uncle Creations. So now we're gonna see tulips and the different colors. So let's get started. So first, it's this tulip, or this, and this. But the crazy part is they don't have any smell. We can't walk between these lines, so we're gonna walk here. Come on! This way there's tulips. So many tulips. It's like 1 billion tulips right here. Gotta count the top. And at the other way, there's more tulips. Gotta count the top. So now we're continuing. I got this. Now, you see the rows here? These tulips, they're not all. Look right there. There's more and more coming. And it's coming later. Coming. So, now, let's continue the tour. It's just walking on this road, but at the sides, there's tulips. There's 1 billion tulips here. So it'd be so fun. And I heard some people being dizzy to death. So, after some time of researching, we got it. So, we'll get it after a quick pause of this video. We'll get it at the next video. So, bye.